Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a reply in the Roblox community forums, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable community replies notifications on the Roblox app for PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the menu bar. Find and click on the icon labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. After clicking More, a new set of options will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Now, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where you can manage all your Roblox notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several options for different types of alerts. Look for the one labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Click on it to open up more detailed options. Now, here's the important part. Scroll through the list until you find Community Forum Replies. This option controls whether you get notified when someone replies to your posts or comments in the Roblox community forums. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. That's it. You've now enabled Community Replies notifications. From now on, you'll get alerts whenever someone responds to your posts, helping you stay connected and engaged with the Roblox community. If you ever want to adjust these notifications again, just follow these steps. Keeping your notifications up to date ensures you never miss important conversations or updates. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Roblox experience. Stay connected and happy gaming.